Ano yung experience mo with our team during the application process? Yung pakitungo sa'yo ng staff naman.
Ay, yun nga. Actually, may na-applyan kami na dati. Hindi na-applyan. May na-inquire kami dati ng mga ibang agencies. Yun nga, hindi ko na bamanggitin yung pangalan. Pero kaya kami napadpa dito. Siguro, dahil hindi kami nag-proceed dun sa kanila. Kasi, number one, yung siyempre, pagdating mo dun sa, may mga tao na hindi sila approachable. Yun. So, yun, hanggang napunta ako dito, yun nga, salamat din kay Ma'am Grace kasi siya yung in-approach talaga kami ni Ma'am Grace at hanggang ngayon, yung ni Ma'am Grace, yung suporta niya hanggang ngayon nandyan pa rin.
How about naman your experience with our team, the staff of Jade, during the application process?
The staff here in this consultancy is quite good because I went before in another agency. The staff there is mean, I guess, in some reason. So I found another option to find another consultancy that is. The staff here in Jade Consultancy is very supportive.
Kumusta naman yung experience mo sa mga staff ng Jade during the application process mo?
Actually, ma'am, very smooth. Very smooth talaga. It's worth to wait and their process is fast for me.
What was your experience with our team, Jade staff, during your application process?
Oh my God, you guys are very helpful. Sobrang anything na kailangan namin, message kami, na-reply kayo agad, and then with the help of Anas, always on call, and then magra-reply talaga siya, very fast and very reliable.
Kamusta naman yung experience mo with Jade team during your application process?
Totoo po, masaya po kasi tinutulungan kami kung paano mag-process ng mga papeles.
How was your process with Jade? How Jade team guide you through your process?
Tinulungan po ako, napaka-smooth po ng pagtulong sa akin ng Jade. Yung pag-assist nila, kasama po sila sa pag-apply ko ng visa, tsaka nagbibigay sila ng procedure, at tsaka yung preparation sa initial interview until sa visa interview.
Then you meet the Jade team. How was your experience with Jade during your application process?
First, medyo kabado. Pero, okay naman. Nagtiwala naman din ako. Kasi, ang may mga requirements na hinihingi and nagtatrust naman din ako na nakikita ko naman din na gumagalaw siya.
How's your experience with Jade team during your application process?
Experience ko nung una na medyo kinakabahan, hindi sure. Pero nung naggumagala na yung mga process, yun, masaya. Tsaka excited.